I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna be your best friend. That's not me. Use the hammer. Walk. Okay. What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Tales of Something Unforgotten, but it's a 3-story ghost game. So we're gonna play this. So let's just get into this. Without further ado, do it. Okay. Phew, I thought the box would never end, but I finally did it. Unpacked the whole house, my own house. It's small but cozy, and the price was right. My agent called it a bargain of the year, which is good because it took me forever to save up for a down payment. Okay. Hey, the pizza. Okay.
I'm not proud of where I've ended up. I'm ashamed of certain things I've done. But out of all the scratches, there's a cut that bleeds the worst. Every time I count my blessings, I count you first.
And come with the dishwasher, I guess, at the one.
Every time I count my blessings,
Yeah, that's supposed to be Domino's? What the fuck, man? Why you just... Hold on. Freaking creep, what do you want? Who could that be? I don't know. Bro, did you not see him peek through the... Okay. Emily, I just moved in today. Sorry about the mess. I wasn't sure to visit so soon. Right, yeah, you saw it. Oh, yeah. You live here alone? Or you want to try? Stuff, in fact. Oh, did you? Grace honor. But I remember that before I tried searching. Yeah, I forgot something at home. What the hell? Then he waddled away. Waddle, waddle. Yeah, whatever. Here you go, guys. Damn.
Many things in this world
Dark
do
as
not
shit.
last very long.
Is that Dracula?
Of a woman's scorn
Is that Nosferatu?
last a long, long time, even centuries. Lights out.
Come on, what could be calling at this hour? Alright, time to get up. Oh, that's fun. Bro, is bro moaning on the phone?
I want to see you.
Ooh, what the fuck? I mean, look like Angelina Jolie. Pixelate. What is this? A closet. Why would he? A hammer? Uh, what's that? Nah, cause I saw it too. Some hot ass water. Damn. Nah, that. Alright, time to go to bed. Got scared. Alright, time to go to bed. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna be your best friend. That's not me. Use the hammer. Walk. Oh. It's in my eye. Yo, she is very optimistic. What the fuck? Who is this guy?
Is he gone?
Yo, that was a missing girl. Come on.
Finally free.
The hell?
I've had girls by the score, yes,
Well, that was the demo, guys. Sorry to tell you. But maybe I'll get this. Who knows? But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you next video. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And as always, peace.